In a city that races towards the future, speed is the only currency. Concrete giants rise, erasing the sky. We build higher, faster, louder, often forgetting where we came from. The neon lights of the modern districts feel like a different universe, yet they are just steps away. But turn a corner, and the rhythm shifts. Here, in the shadow of the old district, time begins to slow down. Welcome to Bangka Park, the waiting room for the gods, where the stories of this city are etched into every face. Just down the road, the scent of healing herbs lingers in the air, a reminder of remedies from a forgotten era. Step inside Longshan Temple, and the world goes silent. For 300 years, this incense has been a bridge between the mortal and the divine. Listen closely. Can you hear it? The rhythmic chanting of the monks. The sharp clatter of red moon blocks hitting the stone floor. Each sound is a question asked, and a prayer answered. Look up. The mosaic dragons dance against a backdrop of cold steel. A visual paradox that shouldn't exist, yet, here it is. Ancient myths living under the shadow of modern ambition. It is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, standing defiant against the passing of time. It's not just a temple. It's an anchor, holding the soul of Taipei steady in the chaos of progress. Old traditions, new echoes. This is the heartbeat of Taiwan.